The goal here is very, very simple. I want to turn you into someone who can use AI to basically make money and create income anywhere in the world with just your laptop. There's no excuse for not being able to create a completely self-sustaining, independent lifestyle with AI and just your laptop. Inside of this community is not just a course of how to connect ChatGPT to Google Sheets. Here's how it's gonna work. You're gonna start with going through a structured roadmap that's gonna start with you mastering N8N, becoming fluent in no code as a whole. API calls, scraping, workflows, webhooks, data paths, JSON, everything you're gonna need to know to basically have the same leverage as a pro developer. Then we'll move into building full AI agents by integrating the big three models, OpenAI, Claude, and Perplexity. We're going to use those to create self-operating machines. And once you've got the skills, once you know how to build, I'll show you how you can package and sell your automation, your skill set as a whole. You won't be doing this alone by any means. You'll have a weekly office hours. You'll also get access to every single automation I've ever built, and I'll walk you through step by step how I created every single one, every single node, and every single prompt. So you basically know how you can be on the same exact level as AI agency owners all over the world. Speaking of all over the world, you will be surrounded by serious builders and AI operators literally around the world. If this sounds like you, then welcome home.